Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on what's going on to repair the defective streetlights. Now we are driving into Montego Bay. This is what you call the Elegant Corridor, and as you can see they have a lot of streetlights. Government continuing engagement with JPS to repair defective streetlights. The government will continue engaging the Jamaica Public Service regarding repairs to defective streetlights islandwide. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond McKenzie, made a disclosure while responding to questions from members of the Standing Finance Committee of the House of Representatives who are currently reviewing the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure about the malfunctioning lamps. While noting that the government is up to date with payments to the JPS, Minister McKenzie said he was dissatisfied in terms of the response as it relates to the repairs of streetlights. I have to call on many occasions, and when I do call, we do not get response. I have to call on many occasions, and when I do call, we do get some response. But I do know that the various municipalities across the country have made repeated complaints, he pointed out. I intend to, at some point in time, again engage the JPS at this level because we do have sufficient evidence to prove that a lot of the lights have gone for months without being attended to. So yes, we are current in our payments, but we do acknowledge that there is a weakness in the repair response, the minister said. He advised that the ministry receives a report from the JPS in terms of installations and repairs. We sign off almost on a weekly basis in excess of 500 applications coming from various municipalities for streetlights, and we do send them to the JPS. We have a process that we sit with JPS and we do get a report from the JPS as to how many lights they have installed and repaired, he said. Minister McKenzie explained that the JPS installs streetlights based on request and assessment. In new communities that are established, the layout of streetlights has to be a part of the whole approval process. I would agree that we are having serious challenges with repairs. It is a major concern. I think they've done a better job in installing new lights than they do in maintaining the existing lighting system. We've been working with the JPS. We meet with them on a regular basis, and coming out of this meeting, again, we will continue to reaffirm our commitment because they have an obligation to us and because we have fulfilled our obligation to liquidate whatever was outstanding to them. As I said before, I am not pleased in terms of the response to the repairs, but we will continue to work with JPS on it, he stated. Minister McKenzie said the new arrangement with the service provider is for the installation of energy-efficient lighting. They would have taken down the old lamps that existed 10 to 15 years ago and replaced them with energy-efficient lighting. In some areas, I have seen where solar lighting is being erected, he said. The minister noted, however, that theft of the new lighting systems remains a concern. I've been into some communities where I have seen some municipalities on their own initiative installing solar lights, and I'm very, very pleased with the quality of the lighting that is offered. But it's something that we will engage the JPS on, Mr. McKenzie said. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So it sounds like it's the JPS that is holding up the process and not wanting to repair the lights. But maybe it's a cost associated. So, guys, why do you think the JPS doesn't want to repair the lights? Because if the light is working, they're going to make more money because the light will be burning electricity. But is it the theft, or you think it has to do? Why you guys think that JPS is falling short on what they're supposed to do, repairs of the streetlights? Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.